Hello, my Stampin' friends. I've got a really fun, quick card for you today. Thank you cards. Season's over, so now it's time to create our thank you cards. This card was one we did in my card class last month. And if you purchase the card kit, you're going to have everything you need to go ahead and make it. But you will need the Decorative Trees photopolymer stamp set. It is in the fall mini catalog, which is retiring on January 7th. But this stamp set is carrying over. However, the dies, there is a set of coordinating dies that go along with this. These dies are not carrying over. And as you can see how I store my extra pieces, I made some tags, which unfortunately I did not do a video for, but you can kind of get an idea. There's one of the tags. I made some tags with the dies, which I thought were just adorable. They're just layered. And you can see I've got some more that I will make, just layering these tags. This will go on this one. And I'm just layering these cutouts and just punching a hole and putting some twine through it, and you've got a whole set of tags. Anyway, so the tags are the dies. We're on back order. I think they're available, but they will only be available until the 7th of January. So if that is something that interests you, I would encourage you not to wait. But I'm excited because the stamp set itself is carrying over. And these are really super, super simple cards. I'm using our basic note cards. So they come 22 a package, and you get the envelope and the card. Let's verify that. Yeah, 22 a package, basic white note cards and envelopes. And if that's something that you want, you can find it in my Stampin' Up store, craftyherondesigns.com. And my name is Linda Edwards. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator with Crafty Heron Designs. I think I forgot to mention that. Oh, well. Here you go. I did cut this piece out with the rectangle decal die, which has retired, was on the last chance list, and it is gone. So these are no longer available, but I will give you the dimensions because you could just either use another die, or you could certainly just cut it out without, and now I can't find my ruler, just with a trimmer. So it's about 4 by 2.5, 4 by 2.5, and it fits, as you can see, kind of just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and stamp, and I use this fun tree. I'm using a different paper. The paper is the Take a Bow. There were our bows, Take a Bow paper. And all of these fun designs are in the paper. And I just really had a lot of fun with this. I'll show you some of the other cards that I made after I make this one. So as you can see, it's just very straightforward. Since it's a thank you card, I am not gonna go ahead and write anything on the inside. This color coordinates with the paper, so it is Lemon Lime Twist. And the thank you, I'm gonna do in Garden Green. Now this thanks is actually from the Attention Shoppers stamp set. I thought it was really cute, and I thought it coordinated really well with this paper. I thought it was kind of fun. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is the star, which is in the Decorative Trees stamp set. So really straightforward. That's it. That's all the stamping that I'm going to do. And then you know the rest of it. We're just layering it all on. Now those are photopolymer stamps, so that's why I'm using my Stampin' Pierce mat so that I get a really good crisp image from them. And so this is going to go, I'm going to keep it flat because it is thank you note, and I want to keep it simple. I should have showed you. I could have done the other side too. Here's the other side of that paper. That would have been really pretty too. And then I'm going to just put this on, and you can see how quick and easy it would be to make a set of these. This could be a gift, maybe for next year, since I didn't quite get this to you in time for this year. But there you go. And I'm going to bring in some of the others that I did with all the different papers. You can see a little smudge there, but that's okay. So aren't those cute? Do you have a favorite? Can you see them all? Yeah. So I had a lot of fun with these. We made them in class. If you purchased the card kit, thank you very much. You'll get 2 different designs in your kit. Each kit is a little bit different, but they're very simple and easy to reproduce. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. You make a comment. It helps others to find me, and I appreciate that. And you could let me know if you have a favorite of any of these. If you want to purchase any of the items that I show here today, you can do that at my online store, craftyherondesigns.com. Bye for now.